EA1000F1 outdoor LED advertising screen supports high brightness and high refresh rate display, with clear and smooth images and rich and delicate colors. Waterproof test is required before aging. After the waterproof test is completed, the cabinet is directly installed on the iron handframe for the next aging test. EA1000F1 outdoor LED advertising screen supports 90-degree seamless right-angle splicing to easily create a three-dimensional corner structure. Connect power and signal cables. EA1000F1 LED screen series is equipped with 4 stainless steel quick locks on the top and left side, which greatly improves the construction efficiency. The back cover is very delicately designed and equipped with a safety buckle, which can be hung on the cabinet when removing the back cover. The cabinet adopts hub connection design, which eliminates the need for messy cables, improves system stability and reliability, and makes setup and maintenance more convenient. EA1000F1 outdoor LED advertising screen supports front and rear dual maintenance. When performing front maintenance, you can use a hexagonal wrench to unlock the safety lock, and then use the suction cup tool to remove the module. During later maintenance, you can also use a hexagonal wrench to open the safety lock and then remove the module. EA1000F1 LED screen series has high brightness energy saving and environmental protection, which is an ideal choice for your outdoor display screen. It is suitable for commercial complex landmark building, outdoor advertising, and other scenes, helping to create a high-end commercial display image and attract more attention.